Baliktad.
Ayos.
Ayos.
Pag ano naman tayo ngayon?
Baliktad.
Tanda mo sa pag ano ko kanina.
Ano naman? Ah. Nare-record ka, bilisan mo.
O kaya nga.
Oh, pag
Diagonal naman. Diagonal naman.
Ah, sige. Oops, ano naman?
Baba naman.
Oo ba?
Okay. Side naman tayo ngayon.
Ano naman?
Taas
naman.
tayo.
Ano naman?
Diagonal.
Kaya parang yung movement mo ah. Oops. Oh, piyaman ni Babon. Action!
Side naman. 3, 2, 1. Saan bakit ako ha?
Oh, sige. Oh, piya. Oh, piyaman ni Babon.
Pababa diagonal ha.
Sige. Hey, Babon.
Taas naman ako Sam.
Oh, sige. Pataas. Vertical, pataas. Eh ako, technical director lang ako. Dito ako sa labas.
Taas ako diagonal Sam ha.
No, sige.
Sige,
Ayaw,
sige.
kilala to.
Gagalaw-galaw.
Ha? Yung sa may Saigon.
Hindi. Ginagano ni Port yan.
Puta pare,
Ulit.
sa mga pangit eh. Yung ganda yung
Maganda yan, maganda yan. Effect niya, no?
Eh,
Ano
puta,
ko?
hindi mo kakahili yun eh.
Sige.
Oo.
Sige, saan yun?
Lahat nag-aalas
Magdali na 3. Sige, sige.
Magdali na eh.
Sa mga ano na yan, naka-record na?
Oo. Sa tutorial siya eh. O Sam, pataas naman ako ulit ha.
Oh, sige. Makakita yung daliri mo.
Gilid naman ako.
Oh,
Sam.
sige. Punta rito. Wala nang 5, wala nang bilang-bilang ah.
Hindi, katakot-takot na babad yan. Babawasan ko pa nga sa editing yan. Pataas ako Sam ha. Dito ako.
Oh, sige, para pwede mong baliktarin.
Desin ba sa ito? Wala natin.
Taas.
Taas. Kasi dalawa na, kanina may mga biyak.
Pag-diagonal naman tayo para medyo may ipis.
Kaya sabi kita eh. Next.
Okay. Medyo ano naman, pag ano naman.
Puta kinigan. Huwag nalimutan ko yung
Pag na-
pinagagawa mo na yan.
Saan ba ako? Pababa naman.
Ang dami mo talokong.
3, 2, 1.
Dapat pataas eh.
Diagonal.
Sige.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano naman ngayon?
Taas.
Simplihan mo na naman. Para hindi nakakalito. Please.
Bakit?
Oh, yung
Ay.
susunod. Sige.
Taas.
Sige. Ayaw mo yan. Puta yun,
Gilid.
wala lang iniisip.
Papunta kay Pork.
Wala lang iniisip na.
Wala na tayong diagonal ah.
Wala lang yung clapper.
Diagonal, pababa. Papunta doon sa
Ay,
port.
Yan.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yan. Oh, yan. Yan.
Okay.
Di ba? Yan.
Pakyat.
Yan, pakyat, ha? Vertical, ha? Oh.
Wala
Iba.
sentro, wala sentro.
Iba.
Papunta sa'yo.
Sa akin. Oh, ay ta. Oh.
Oy.
Yun. Ganda ng pagkakaba.
Papunta naman sa taas.
Papunta sa taas, ha? Oh.
Hindi, papunta
Trip
sa
to
taas,
heaven,
ha?
Oh, trip to heaven.
2, 1. Ganda ng kulay.
O, tapos.
Taas naman. 3 to sky.
Okay. Stairway to heaven.
Ano naman pa?
Papunta sa'yo.
Okay, horizontal. Coming to me, ha? Okay.
Pataas naman.
Going stairway again to the climbing stair of the upper portion.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay!
Ay!
Kamay ba
Ayun,
yun?
kamay, ulitin mo.
Kamay ni Sam eh.
Ulitin mo, patay mo na. Akala ko tapos na eh.
Sabay gunting.
Hindi.
Tuloy mo.
Sige. Saan ba na? Ano tayo?
Stairway to heaven.
Stairway to heaven. Coming to me, eh.
Puta, teka. O, di ba? Pwede na rin. Teka. Stop key.
2, 1. Scene 1, take 88.
Okay. Taas naman. Hindi, diagonal, pataas.
Diagonal, pataas.
Iba naman.
Stairway to heaven again, ha?
Hindi diagonal eh.
Hindi, climbing.
2, 1. Pababa naman.
Oh, going to hell.
2, 1. Mr. Clapper, wala.
Going to hell.
Ito, walang clapper ah. Okay, pababa naman.
Okay.
Papunta sa yagbol niya, ni Port.
Slanting down to the
Yagballs. 3, 2, 1.
Going to the balls.
Taas naman.
Going up again to the sky. Going to the sky. Then, going to the two balls again.
Hindi ah. 1.
Kapikit pa yung
Papunta sa...
Going to the sky.
Okay.
Going to the sky.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Going to the sky.
Baba naman tayo.
Going to hell again. Okay, man.
Okay. Rolling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Going to the hell. Going to
Yagbos,
the two
ni Fort.
balls. Balls to the balls. Okay. Then, where?
Parang nalabi dito.
Parang dumilim eh, no?
Dumili mo. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Going to the balls.
Okay.
Then what? Oh, going to upstairs again, huh? Nice. Oh,
Diagonal ah.
Going to the balls again.
Ang taas naman ang bonus. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, ang dilim.
Dilim ba?
Yeah.
No, sige, game.
Go na bro. Okay. Para rin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Taas.
Maganda ng dating niya. Kanino naman yun?
Uy, kamay, pare, ulitin mo ka.
Parang sama nung kameno yun.
Oh, ulit. Saan ba?
Ulit,
The ball.
ball.
Take two. Take two. Ayos na yun.
Hindi siya pa, dali siya pa.
Ayaw nga no. Tumagal to doon. Doon sa ano.
The heaven.
Yun.
Vertical.
3, 2, 1. Ito naman, ito.
Diagonal towards the sun. Diagonal towards the sun, pare.
4, 3, 2, 1. Pataas.
Climbing the stairs.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Kaya ko na, going to the ball.
Okay.
Yan.
Oh,
Going to the
stairs
sky.
again. Climb the stairs.
4, 3, 2, 1.
There you go.
Very good. Nice.
Vertical,
student.
going to hell, to the balls again. 3 balls.
Bilis ah.
Going to the stairs, climbing the stairs again.
2, 1. Papunta sa bayag may ano ah.
Going to the 3 balls.
3, 2, 1. Taas.
Climbing the stairs.
3, 2, 1.
The pro pupils for their version of Shalala. Let's give them a hand, please. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga prep. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la in the night, the sunshine is falling. We've been on for some time, but I know I really love him. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when he sees it. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la just for you. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la just for you. If your love's gone away just like mine, you feel like crying. Sing along, maybe once, maybe twice. Let's try it together. Some sweet day, no one knows your return, and you'll be happy. Shine sweet and a song, listen to your heart, it is singing. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine.
thank you very much. Let's give her a big hand, please. Very good. Okay. Mrs. Ventura, Mr. and Mrs. Ventura, Mrs. Puruya, Mrs. Alba, Mr. Salamat, ay, ang partner. O, mga bata, palagpagan natin sila, mami. Siyempre, pwede pa rin sila. Palagpagan natin sila mali. Children, let's come on for mommy. Ang gagaling pa na yung mga mami natin. Palakpakan natin sila muli! Okay, thank you very much. Let's give them a big hand. Thank you very much. Okay naman mga ribala, Mr. and Mrs. Ventura, Mr. and Mrs. Gamboa. Dalawa lang ba? O, dance for all. Okay, children. Sige. Okay, dance. Everybody dance! All children! kung sino ang pinakamagaling dito. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, children. All right, now, are you ready for games? All children, please dance. Come on. All children, please dance. Everybody, Mark, Raymond, Vicky, Charlene. Nagagaling talaga naman. Thank you. Oh! Wow, ang ganda ng music. Do you like to dance that? Okay. Parents also can dance. You dance with your children.
Salut tout le monde.
Yeah.
C'est Hélène. Accrochez. Attention, écoutez-moi. Attention.
Everybody can dance.
Hélène.
Parents, please. Wow, come here. Mark. Reynold. Ang gagaling talaga sumayo.
Je mets le doigt devant, je mets le doigt derrière, je mets le doigt devant, je fais le petit rond, je fais
Christmas trees form a bright tomorrow where nations are at peace.
All children, please sing. Children, don't go there. Bawal yan, bawal. Okay, everybody here, come here, children. Dito tayo lahat. Yan.
Every prayer and every song the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love like that starlight from the face of the star in the light and Christ the child was born. So let us rejoice and sing a Christmas carol. And the joyful voice proclaim the
Nako, talaga hindi naman. Okay, are you happy, children? Okay, very good. Are you recite John 3:16? For God so loved the world.
We had to write the corresponding letter at the back of the card. See? That's mouth, nose, and owl. So there are blanks there, and you can ask him to write. Hindi lang yan. We also find in this plastic bag, okay, it comes in this plastic bag when you buy the whole set, an ABC wall chart. See, it's very colorful. They are well illustrated for A, B, C, D. Most of the pictures here are same pictures that appear in the puzzle so that your kids can associate the letter with the picture. See, tiyak na mag-enjoy ho ang mga bata. Well, I should know. I was a kid once. And really, these are helpful because you see, these items help develop and improve the child's patience and self-confidence among many other things. But what's even more important here is that child doesn't learn and have fun alone. He learns and enjoys with you, mom and dad out there. With these items, you'll surely spend more time with your kids. Diba? Kaya para sa mga mommy at daddy na nanonood ngayon, get a pack for your kids or as gift to your nieces or nephews. See, it comes in this handy bag. Take this out. These are the wall charts. Okay. This is the handy bag so that the pieces of the puzzles don't get lost or misplaced. If you want these interesting items, call us now and look for the Nursery Collection Tutorial Aid or item number T155. Just imagine how much a single pack like this will already cost you. Just one pack, umaabot pa ho yan ng 190. Isang box lang ho yun ng puzzle. In this bag, you get this nursery puzzle, this number puzzle, plus you get the alphabetical flashcards and the vocabulary puzzle, plus of course, the 2 colorful charts. And if you call now, we'll add this IQ evaluation test for free. These tests will help evaluate your kid's progress in his learning. You may order this nursery collection tutorial aid here at Home TV Shopping for only $285. That's right, it's only $285 with the item number T155. So pick up the phone now and order now. Mga mommy, daddy, tawag na!
Here's another item from Home TV Shopping which will guarantee to introduce your child to music. This is Shell Course Harmony Hippos item number T157. This is so cute because it's got teeny-weeny hippo heads in different colors right over there. It's so easy to use for your child. They can really play a tune because it's equipped with the songbook. Okay? All you have to do is follow the numbers and the colors. So you can teach your child to identify numbers and colors here. So it says here, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Let's play it. Okay, 2 red number ones. Okay, twinkle. And then the 5 yellow. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. See, I've got a beautiful voice too. Haha. Anyway, I'm just kidding. It uses 1C battery. It's not included, so you'll have to get one for your child, okay? So it's perfect for your child's enhance the child's musical talent. This is the Shellcore Harmony Hippos, item number T157. And Home TV Shopping price, only 390 pesos. So mommies, get your child one.